I rise to ask the question that stands in my name in order paper today. Before I ask my question, a little bit of introduction. In the last 10 years, we have all seen an increase in foreign investors who are operating and involved in the trade store, sale of goods in the market area, who own and operate trade stores in the informal economic sector. The informal sector is a key means of livelihood for the less advantaged Papua New Guineans and especially our women. My question is directed to Ms. Effie Omare, government, is this. What is the government policy on restricting the informal economic activities to indigenous Papua New Guinea citizens only? Thank you.
Yes, entro sen minimum startment and investors come, foreign investors come. Okay, plan the business inside of the country. The government don't need to save the slack. And look save the slack. Now, plan will come and will come right way. Plan will come right way. Okay, man, visas don't come around the tourists now making business to here where you have government no save. Also, the middle of the how long minimizing that kind of tourists or coming staff also tourists around here know about overworking business inside the country going on. Yes, we have a policy in place which was done by a establishing business and staff law this law community development law similar thing. We stop solid close and we only one black copy staff providing and read them out and staff office related. Thank you.
Asking Marigulo, government Lodishka, asking Mr. Pro, all foreigners coming inside the country. You may look at Mr. Man. Nanti orang bimbing rasa kita main polis kali ini contract or something. Inside the city now, we go outside touching more money and shipping meetings. This program is going to go now. They helping by protecting our people bringing me. Where area where in our only climate very bringing me by only business. And more cocoa or the line to inside finish long. This time I'm asking me to government. Thank you.
Thank you. We would ask him to come along Nabala side. All the time by you blame government, by walking law. Me asking you will get that back. The reason is to why we've been voted as leaders in our own right, long or well, one happy me come along and no, you don't walk in this awareness. You looking on something that comes from money, come around something. Responsibility for you. Thank you, Chair.